Hello, fellow Yu-Gi-Oh fanatics. We are finally back with a classic format display opening, the last released set, Dimension Force. Let me quick rip this open and we are right back. Alright, 24 packs. Yes, exactly. And 9 cards per pack, so absolute classic format, but with one foil in every pack. If that's good or bad, I can't tell. Die Manischer Prügler, Schreckensklare Alternative, Ichirokus Hauptbuch, that's the Luster Dragon there, nice. XX Ausschluss, okay, Schreckensklare Kratzstoß, whatever you say, Himmlische Drache, Titanomakia, Raubpflanze, Triantis, Kampfwachen, Kadett und der Symphonische Gitarre, oh mein Gott. Who came up with these names? Oops, the knife. Don't need the knife. Probably no 2 SiCaTras in here. And everything else is pretty random. Generalprobe, Chirakus Abbuch, Materieakte, Kreisring, Therium, Stehauf, and die buntäugige Flügeldrache. Never seen this one. Pendulum Monster, I have no clue about Pendulum Monsters. Is this good? Is this bad? I don't know. Maybe you know. Himmlische Drache again. Bilan Hydra, Musik Sumo Würfelspiele. Okay. Symphonischer Krieger DJJJ. DJJJ. I see what they trying to do here. Alright. I didn't spoil myself too much. If I say I didn't spoil myself, I would have lied, but I didn't spoil myself too much with this new set. But Therion Schnitte vom Künstlerkumpel Sanfrüde. But I know a few cards in here are actually very desirable. Lichtgesetzmittel, interesting. Oh, again, MK11. Oh, well, we came very far. And Yamatako Orochi. Alright. So, Starlight would be nice. At the time I record this, my fellow friend at SiCaTra definitely should check out his video. He pulled a Starlight Rare out of a Dimension Force display. Very nice. You should check out his video. I put it down in the video description. Spuken der Zombies, Therion Schnitte Fum, Raubpflanze Blablabla, Algul, oh that looks cool. Algul Mazera, interesting. And Libromanten Verschiebung. For the new Libromancers, don't know if the Libromancers are good or bad. Verzehrende Sarkophagus. Zombie Monsters, alright. Omega Urteil, alte Krieger wilde Donin und Raubpflanze Triantis. Okay. Schreckensklare Akro again. Medium des Kriegsfelsens. Raubpflanze. Okay. Schreckensklare Alternative and Yakuza Herde 8. Yakuza. Who? Good thing they wrote Yakuza with an S and not with a Z. Herde 8 Donner. Alright. Yamatako Orochi, Oberst auf der C-Seite. As a musician, these names are hilarious. Ersatzmannschaft and Oberstes Meer Mare. Heroische Herausforderer Morgenstern, Therion Bulle 1, Überraschungskette, Dogmatika, Changji di Spiridao. Sounds Spanish. Hartnäckiger Verfolger, Eisjahre Fluch, sonnenbeschienener Wachposten und die Umkehr. Oh, is this a new morphing chart type? Huh. That's interesting. I put this aside because maybe this is one of the more interesting cards here. Die Umkehrdose. Maybe I have use for this one. Maybe. Manische Prügler. Schreckensklare Alternative XX Ausschluss Pendelbereich and die Witterungsmalerin Mondregenbogen. I don't know if these Witterungsmalerin monsters were ever a thing. Anyway, Kampfwochenkartett, Symphonische der DJ, die Gitarre, and the Triantis again. I just realized in the display it says the show must go on. Don't know if you can see. No, you can't. Where does it say? Over here, you know, see, die Show geht weiter. If you translate that from German and English, it would be the show must go on. I doubt that this is also says on the English displays. Tyrion, steh auf. Parasomniques. What the hell? XX Ausschluss. Dogmatic. Antipathizidel. Covetil. Now we have French cards too. Heimliche Drache, whatever. Symphonische Krieger, Rocks. Markierte Niederlage and WLAN. Hydra. Alright. So, Medium des Kriegsfelds. Again, die Kissen. Tyrion Bulle 1. Ichirokus Buch. Witterungsvorhersage. Ah ja. I know a few of these monsters from Master Duel. There was a story thing with these cards. Don't know the English name. Alte Krieger, Musiksumo, markierte Niederlage und der Yamatako Orochi again. Was this, a beer or what the hell is this? It's a octopus with a beard. Nice. Alright. Tyrion Yugioh. Yule, isn't that the guy who's always vaping? And on YouTube, Yule? No, that was the company who made the electric cigarettes or whatever that is. Raubpflanze, Blitterisp, Alte Krieger, Sage, XX Ausschluss, and Drachenfluch, der magische Ritterdrache. Again, a new Gaia support card. But this is, again, the Curse of Dragon as fusion. You know, with the same attack and death values. Interesting. Krenting, Zombies in der Wachpost, Yamatako Orochi und die Omega Urteil. Das ist 100% für Psi-Monsters. No? Wait, what? Target one monster in your spell and trap zone. And 2 cards your enemy controls. Destroy them. A monster in your trap and spell zone. How the hell should that work? Is he playing Seal of Orichalcos? So he can play 10 monsters? Can use his spell and trap fields to summon monsters? I don't know. Dogmatica Turgi, heroischer Herausforderer Morgenstern, Generalprobe, heroischer Herausforderer Knöchelschwert, and heroischer Champion Clave Solish. Maybe not. Raubpflanze Ambulomelides. That's a strange name. Lichtgesetz Mittel, hartnäckiger Verfolger und heroischer Champion Jarn Gripr. This is probably from the Nordic mythology. These names? Probably. Or I don't know. Is there French mythology? No, I don't know. I really don't know. Überraschungskette. Raubpflanze Bufolicula. Algul Material. This looks so cool. That's really cool. Heroischer Herausforderer Knöchelschwert. And Künstlerkumpel Samfröde. We had this before. Looks like a vampire. Die Gitarre, the Heroic Champion, the DJ, and the Eisjahre Fluch. Again, die Predator Plant Buvilocula, Pendelbereich, Überraschungskette, Manische Brügler, and Tyrion Lily Borea, our first SiCaTra. I don't know if this is good or bad. I don't know what a Tyrion is, and don't know for what this is thought to work. But it's a SiCaTra. And we love SiCaTra. Umkehrung sind heiß. We have two. Eis ja der Fluch, verzehrender Sarkophagus, oberst auf der C-Seite. Das ist anyway. Pendelbereich. Well. Heroische Herausforderer. Tyrion Yugioh, Raubpflanze and the 2 times in a row. Buntäugiger Pendelgrafdrache. Holy moly. There's so much effect on this one. I don't know where it begins and where it ends. I don't know where the head is. Or does it even have a head? Doesn't look so. But surely looks cool. It's a pendulum ritual monster. It's a oh my god. It's a dragon ritual pendulum effect monster. Alright. Die Rocks, die verzehrende Sarkophagus, Amphische Bugrot MK11 and the Predator plant Ambulomylides. Ambulomylides. Say this 10 times in a row. Ambulomylides. Ambulomylides. Sometimes I feel like an archaeologist reading these card names. Medium des Kriegsfeldes, Algul Mazera, Raubpflanze, Schreckensklaue Alternative and the Chaosai, der Geisterstopper. Is this the new version of Cuckoo, the Ghost Destroyer? Yeah, actually it is. But not for monsters, it's for Spell and Trap cards. That's the new version of Cuckoo, the Ghost Destroyer. Ersatzmannschaft. Oberstes Meermare, Krentengu and die Gitarre. Guitar. We are multinational today. Oh boy. Alright. Alte Kriegersaga, Täuschung und Verrat. Hier, yeah, that happens. Schreckensklaue Alternative. Spukende Zombies, Schreckensklaue Akro, Tyrion Angriff. Okay, against this Tyrion monsters are a new archetype. Hartnäckige Verfolger, oberstes Memare, markierte Niederlage und alte Krieger, wilde Don Ying. Ying. Oh, here, almost flipped the camera over. As you know from my previous videos, I like to do that very often. It's like a secret hobby of mine to flip cameras. Spukende Zombies, Tyrion-Bulle, ein Generalprobe, Schreckensklare, Balone and the Libromanten-Verbindung for the Libromancers again. Alright. Kampfwachenkadett, Umkehrose, oh, we have placed it now. Lichtgesetzmittel and Raubpflanze Triantis. Predator plant Triantis. Alright, Predator Plants, Bofulicula, Schreckensklare Astra, Überraschungskette, Medium des Kriegsfelds, Entwitterungsvorhersage, we pulled that before. Lichtgesetzmittel, Sonnenbeschiedener Wachposten, the Rocks, and the Cran. I'm speaking. It's not good if you speak too many languages. You always mix them up. Cran. Sorry, I believe if I ever have to read something German again, I always probably gonna read it with an English accent. Heroische Herausforderer, Knöchelschwert, Tyrion, steh auf, mein Freund. Manische Prügler, Parasomnie, Kissen, and die Dynamorphia Raserei, Rage, probably. Dynamorphia Rage. Probably. Oh, Umkehrose again. Wieland Hydra, heroischer Champion, Jan Greiper, Eisjahr der Fluch. How many packs are there? A few. 5. 5 packs of Dimension Force. Oh, we pulled the cover card. I actually saw right now. This thing, bunte Pendelgrafdrache, it's the cover card. You see? Didn't realize that. Nah, there I can see the head on the display. Didn't realize that one. Nice. I'm probably gonna keep it because it's the cover card. Always nice to have the cover card of a display. Pendelbereich. Tyrion Yugioh, Materieakte, Kreisring, Ichiroku. Why is the Luster doing on this one? don't know where this should lead to. Libermanten Vorbeugung. Alright, Omega Urteil, Super Gitarre in the Verfolger, and the MK11. Mark 11. If you wanted me to say it correctly, it's Mark 11. Schreckensklaue Below. Heroische Herausforder Morgenstern. Schreckensklaue Crew. Alte Kriegssache, blablabla. Marine Draco Mac. Okay. Why not? DJJJJ, die Predaplant Ambulomelides. Ja. Alte Krieger, wilder Don Ying. Alright. Materieakte Kreisring, Ichirokus Abbuch, Pendelbereich, XXXX Ausschluss, entmarkierte Verbannung, Branded Banishment, probably. Karen Tango, die Mark 11 und die Musik Sumo Würfelspiele. Aha. Of course. Why not? Heroische Herausforderer Knöchelschwert, Parasonikis, heroische Morgenstern und, Dogmatiker, heroischer Gesandter. We hadn't this one before. For the heroic monsters. Alright. Branded, whatever, Eisjahre Fluch, Kampf auf dem Kadett, und die Umkehrhose. Juhu! Umkehrhose, Last Pack of Dimension Force. Difo. Schreckensklaue Astra. Der Materiaktor Kreise. Schreckensklaue Milone, spukende Zombies und Dynamorphia Rexterm. Definitely looks cool. Dynamorphia Rexterm. Nice. That looks cool. Predaplant Triantis, verzerrender Sarkophagus, Ersatzmannschaft in himmlischer, probably Heavenly Dragon Titanomachia. Heavenly. Oh, yes. Nice stats. Alright. It's a level 10 months. No. Yes. Is it? Yes, it is. Level 10 months. Have to read through that later. Alright. Anyway. If you want to see how a Starlight is pulled, you should definitely check out SiCaTra's opening of Dimension Force. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it always, whoever watches my videos. Goodbye, and until next time.